Hey everyone, welcome back to Editorian. Are you tired of struggling with After Effects A for color correction? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve A-like color correction right on CAPCUT. And guess what? You don't need CAPCUT Pro for this, because I've got a special surprise for you. I'll be sharing the link to CAPCUT Pro for free. So, stick around.